Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to make these ornaments. Filling them with glitter. These are the bulb, light bulb looking ones. It is plastic. You can get them. Get the bag in there. Alright, these are the ones I bought. Perfect size. From Hobby Lobby. They're $6.99, but currently they're 50% off. And I guess if they were full price, you could use a 40% coupon. But those are the bulbs. They come in 12 to a pack. Alright. And then the glitter I use for the red ones is just a cheap Walmart glitter. It's the red. And then this is what the bulb looks like. And the top comes off. And it has the piece at the top. So you can hang it like an ornament. So have little ornament hangers. So like that. And then I used the polycrylic because I already had it. I've heard you could use hairspray or a few other different home products that you might have other than polycrylic, because polycrylic is really expensive. Or it's not cheap anyway. But I already had it, so I'm using it. And then I used the little medicine cups from Alegro Medical that you get for $1. What is that? 100 for $1, and usually free shipping. I use those to put the ornaments in to drain the polycrylic. So let's get started. This is really quick and easy. Just open up your bulb, and then we're going to pour the polycrylic into it. And that's why I like these cups, because you kind of pour it in without spilling it everywhere. And I give it a good amount. And I just swirl it a little bit. Looks like it's pretty covered. And I stick it into this and stand it up like that and let it drain. And then I have one that's already pretty much done. So I tend to wipe off the edge with a baby wipe. And then I have my glitter on a piece of paper. And I do it like this, so I can easily pour it into here. A good amount in there. And then you're going to just swirl that glitter around. Pour it out. And you're done. And put the lid back on. And there's your ornament. Now, one thing I learned, because I started actually on the bigger size bulbs, is that if for some reason you didn't have enough polycrylic in there, or it had some missing spots, you had some issues with your glitter not feeling very good, what I did is I got my handy dandy hairspray out after the fact and sprayed it in there. I didn't even wait till just totally dried. Sprayed it in there pretty good, and then swirled some more glitter, and it filled in the holes. Could not tell anything. So there's a little repair technique if you have an issue not getting a good glitter coverage inside. Hope that helps. And like and subscribe, and I'll be doing more videos. Thank you.